Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Maya Evelina, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you a apartment tour, condo tour. My boyfriend is my landlord. He does own this apartment. I reside here with him, and I did help decorate from the start. I was here from the start, but I would describe our style as unisex. Unisex is the decor style because, you know, it's not too girly, it's not too boy-y either. It's a good mix. Both genders can live here happily. It's not the biggest apartment, it's a 1-bedroom, 900 square feet, a decent sized space, and we live in the heart of downtown Chicago. Love living here, and we've been here for about 1.5 years. So let's just get started. Oh my God, hi, come on in, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the house tour, apartment tour, condo tour, whatever you want to call it. Greetings, take off your shoes, please. Welcome. I'm going to show you the beginning. So if we turn around here, turn around. This is the front entrance of the apartment. It's really crazy, I know. A door with a lock so nobody breaks in. You walk in through the doorway, the first thing you're going to see is this giant couch. You're going to be greeted by this giant couch. That's not the most important thing you're going to be greeted by, because you're probably going to be greeted by Zushi, the kitty. He's probably going to say, hi, who are you? What are you doing in my house? Get out. Or he's like, give me treats and you can stay. Back to the entrance. The first thing you're going to see probably the couch. Then you're going to look over to your left here and you see some keys. I love my little key hook thing. Very convenient. We have some shoes on display. Very fancy. We have another door. You're probably wondering, what's behind this other door? Well, if you can see down there, we have a cute little kitty door, and this is Zushi's closet, or this is Zushi's room. Basically, he just takes poops in here. He has his giant litter box, space shuttle, escape pod type thing in here. Come on in, don't be shy. I won't bite, but Zushi might. And we have his amazing self-cleaning litter box that looks like an escape pod in here. And it's a little stinky, so I don't recommend being there too long. And we're still in the front entrance part of the apartment. And here we have a cute little bench with shoe storage. So it makes it really easy to sit down and put on your shoes. And then we have a ring light over here. It's very random. The apartment is not 100% decorated, to be honest, and we're still working on it, but it's just really difficult to find really amazing pieces just so quickly and living in an apartment for 1.5 years, apparently, and it's also really expensive. So we're still decorating, so not everything is exactly where it's going to be, and not everything is decorated, like all the walls and corners and stuff like that. But what we do have is this bench, a random ring light, and then we have a nice little shoe rack, excuse me, hello. We have a nice little coat rack where we grab our coats, hats, and purses and bags before we go on our daily adventures. And we also have this nice art piece that my boyfriend picked out from his friend. She made it for him. Really nice. So this is the front entrance of the apartment. Okay, so now moving on. We have the living room area. And I love how the living room area turned out, because when we were trying to find a couch, it was really difficult to find a good couch. But we finally found this one, and we're like, wow, it's really big. Is it gonna fit? Is it gonna work? Should we do it? And then pulled the trigger, and now we have this giant couch, which you would think in this pretty small 900 square foot apartment would be too much, but it honestly makes the space feel bigger. And you can fit so many people on this couch. Like, we've had 11 people on this couch for Friendsgiving, which was so fun and amazing. So, great choice. And Zushi loves it. This is his old man area with my Moroccan lamp. Isn't that right, Zushi? You love this couch. And then we have this super sturdy coffee table. You can sit on it, stand on it, dance on it, and it won't budge because it has like cast iron legs and like pure wood top, so it's very budge proof, which is awesome. If we're moving over here, we have our lovely little fireplace, which was a great find because doesn't it just fit this wall perfectly? And it perfectly holds the TV and it just fits this area so nicely, and it makes it flow. and it makes the room feel a lot more cozy with the fire, even though it's electric. It was a great find, and I love it. Excuse me. Zushi loves participating in the videos. He's just really the star of the show. If you're interested in what's the art behind the TV, or behind the couch, it's my boyfriend's NFTs that he has. He decided to take them off digital and print them out, because apparently you can do that. The boomers are shaking. Let's move on. Next part of the apartment. So moving past the couch, you're probably wondering what's going on back here. This is my boyfriend's desk. He works from home here in this area and games endless hours over here. We have these cute little art pieces that we actually made together. You might disagree whether they're cute or not. It's okay. I think they're really cute and we made them together. We have some plants, my aloe vera plant, my little boo-boos, and a new cactus that's not spiky, so we shouldn't get hurt. And we have a little picture of us. It's a cute area, but my favorite part is this chair. This is for you, PewDiePie, because you get it. It's just fun to do that. And then over here we have Zushi's castle, his throne. We have a basket of his favorite toys. We have some more toys hanging from here. And basically, Zushi just sits here, naps here, sits up here, and watches over his kingdom naturally. As you can see, he's very protective over it. Okay, so let's go over here. And now we're going into the dining area, and we found the perfect table to fit this space. This is like a mid-century kind of table. I love these chairs, how they are built. Like, look at this design. It just goes all the way back, and it's pretty unique for chairs like this. And it's like a nice wood and really sturdy. And we let Zushi go up on the table, I know. But it's a really small apartment, and he just needs more room to explore and run around. So we just let him up here, and then we just clean it if we have guests or we need dinner up here. And this is his girlfriend, Laura Petchka. Watch this. He's gonna get really overprotective over her. Cute. We have more plants, some more plant babies. And the dining room, as you can see, is really empty because, again, we're not done decorating. We're trying to figure out what's the perfect items to put in each space. But we have a cute neon sign here for a captain. I got this for my boyfriend's birthday because, just for a lot of reasons, he's captain, his handles and video games and stuff like that. So I thought that would be cool to have in an apartment. And I really like it too. We have this random cabinet thing up there. We have Zushi's scratch toy. We have my favorite bar cart. I love his bar cart. I think it's just so pretty. I love the gold. I love my knickknacks. Hopefully I can get more knickknacks. And we have Zushi's little feeding area over here. Nothing exciting. We have more art. And let's go to the other side of the apartment. Can I show you my Moroccan lamp? I love my lamp. We have the most exciting room in the apartment right here, the bathroom. It's actually not that exciting, it's just a bathroom. It's a cute little thing, not much to say. I really do love the tiles that the previous owners put up. Very pretty, very nice. Magic happens right here. And the most important part of the bathroom, come here. Let's go. See up here? We have my little friend, Jimmy. I love Jimmy. Let's go into the bedroom where all the magic happens. Because my desk's in here, so where all the magic happens. I have 2 monitors. My boyfriend's beating me. The laptop doesn't count. I did build my own computer, thank you very much. But the bedroom's one of those places that still needs a lot of decor help. It's not there yet. The only thing that's really decorated is this wall, and even that's not done. But we got these really cute animated pieces from E2C2. It's like Comic-Con anime conventions that's held in Chicago, and we thought these were really pretty and they would be cute in here, so we got them, framed them, and now they're here. Some of my favorite things that's in this room, my salt rock lamp, this thing. If we go over here, we have a little ottoman, cute, nobody sits there. Then we have our giant king-size bed. Fun fact, my coworker came around once, and she was in here, and we were sitting and chatting, and she's like, Caleb, my boyfriend, oh, you know what would be really amazing in here? a king-size bed, and then the next day he ordered one. So that's cool. So that's the bedroom. Fun stuff. My favorite part of the bedroom actually is our nightstands. I found these really cool nightstands online. I love the different, excuse me. I love the different wood pieces that they kind of just like decorated on the fronts. Love that. So what's really important about a bedroom? The closet. This is my closet. I have a tight squeeze, but as you can see, I love clothes. But I'm really proud of my organizational skills. I just really like how I fold my own clothes. It's really impressive, I know. And then we have my boyfriend's closet, him behind the cameraman. And we have another closet over here. And then let's go check out the kitchen. We did not forget about the kitchen. Before we go in there, we have this cute little mirror. And what's on the mirror? My knickknacks. I love knickknacks. Like I said, another boo-boo, bamboo, that I get in Chinatown in Chicago. Here's the kitchen. Everyone loves the kitchen. Everyone says that the kitchen is the heart of a home. And that's pretty true because you need to eat and get your blood going, pumping through your heart. Yeah. We have a stove, dishwasher, fridge. What else do you need in a kitchen? We have some cute little dishes, teapots we don't use, jugs. That's the kitchen, you guys. Over here we have the mixer that we never use. And we do have my favorite little teapot, if you remember from my last video, a couple videos ago. I love that, I'm gonna keep it right there. Thanks for watching, you guys. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. Okay, that was bad. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you an idea of what a 1-bedroom, 900 square foot apartment in Chicago looks like, and maybe some decor ideas for small spaces. I don't know, if you guys have any decor ideas for how we can, you know, spruce up the walls in the bedroom and in the dining room, please let me know. I would be really excited to see that. I always need some inspiration and ideas and things like that. But I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, follow, and see you in the next video. Bye.